After signing up for a Kraken account, completing the setup process is essential for secure trading. Follow these steps to ensure your account is fully set up. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Kraken. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your email address. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the security settings. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. You can use an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy to generate 2FA codes. Step 3. Complete identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Set up funding methods. Once your identity is verified, navigate to the funding section. Choose your preferred funding method, such as bank transfer or credit/debit card, and follow the instructions to link your bank account or card. Step 5. Familiarize yourself with the platform. Explore the Kraken interface and familiarize yourself with its features. Check out the trading pairs available, review the fee structure, and learn how to place orders. This will help you feel more comfortable when you start trading. Now that you have completed the setup process, you are ready to start trading on Kraken. Make sure to stay informed about market trends and continue to enhance your trading skills.